Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today. It's from Red Eye Lock Sport. There's your bitting. Got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of got red etched into the key. And then on the lock, it has red, and I guess that's an eye. It's supposed to be an eyeball, so red eye. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try to get into this bad boy. I'm thinking it's a challenge lock. It just says from, it doesn't have a name or anything, so I'm gonna put it in the vise, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Let's give it a shot here. I got it all set up here, and let's see what we can do with it. I'm going to start here in the front to try to work my way back and see what I got. I got a little click on something. I think that might have been one. Okay. Moving back to front now. I'm going to go back, hit the back again. I'm getting a lot of noise, but nothing doing anything. It's just making noise. I got a funky angle on my... There we go. Oh, nice. Deep set on that one. Let me check the rest of these pins. Okay. Sorry. I think I'm going to have to do some counter. Get that pick out of my hand and do some counter rotation, but I don't want to lose it either. And I'm not real practiced at this right here, so... Yeah, don't go nowhere. Got a click, but I don't know if that's... And that's it. We got it open. Very nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and move that out of the way without dropping it on the ground. Pop that out. Give me a pinning tray here. Let's see where we're at here. I don't want to get out of video. Oops, sorry. Oh, you little... You're gonna get off of there. I guarantee you're gonna get off of there. Ta-da! Made that one. Okay. I'm excited, guys. You can tell. Alrighty. And yeah, it doesn't really matter. As long as the shims there runs us through. Okay. There's our pins. Yeah, okay. I see some. I'm going to have to just get these out. That one I do believe. Came out of one. I'm going to have to look at this. Hang on. I don't want to drop anything else. There's more like that in there. Yeah, that came out of one. All right. So that was on top. That was under it. Stop. Just. Three. 4. 6. Okay. Oh. Cooperate. And nice. Okay, so we got threading in 1, 2, and 5, and the rest are smooth. All right. Let's get this out of the way. And let's go for this here. Get down in my hand. See what we got. Looks like a standard in one. Yeah. Yeah, that don't want to come out. Maybe I am. Yeah, it's not coming out. Well, we have. Looks like it. Almost looks like an acid spool. And 2. It doesn't want to come out either. And a long standard, it looks like, in 3. Maybe there's something there, but none of these springs want to come out of here. I'm not seeing anything in 4. Oh, yeah, there's a spool in 4. But I don't think there's a spring underneath it. There's one, number 1. Now let's go to the back. I don't want to come out either, because it's threading, I guess. Oh yeah, that one had a hard spring on it. Right there. Oh man. I don't want to tear that spring up. Let me try my other non-tear up type of. Oh. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I see threading there in 5 and 6. I guess that's it for that. Yeah. Sorry, I don't want to make a long video out of this, but when these springs hang up in there, they just make a long video. Yeah, they're not coming out. Well, there's threading in 5 and 6 and threading in 1, I can see already. Okay. So, these are your pins for Red Eye from Red Eye Lock Sport. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye. Okay, everybody, I found out what was going on. This spring here, when I had to dump this one out because there was no spring in this hole for this one. This is for Red Eye. I found that this spring was on top of this spring, which would be like right here. So that spring went to this hole, and this spring went to this one. Excuse me. So it has all its springs. It just had 2 springs in one hole. So now it's right. So we'll get it back together and ship it on. Thanks, everybody.